Baby bird time here at Unique, especially in classics. Just sold a couple of these, and here's another one in 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This particular car does have the soft top and the hard top, as you can see in the background there. Soft top is black cloth, hard top is also black, pour hole on it. As you can see, riding on the wide white wall radials. Correct style wheel covers. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome front of this as far as the bumper, grille surround. This particular car, Raven Black, A code. That is the original color that this car would have been produced in back in 1957. With the flame pleated vinyl interior, which would have been an XH code, also correct for this car. Underneath the hood, 312 V8 4-barrel. Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission paired up with that. Also very nicely equipped. We're talking power steering, power brakes, AC, power seat, power windows. So nicely equipped Thunderbird. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of it, interior engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us at 507-386-1726. Car has been restored along the way. Black paint, of course, you're going to find a few imperfections here and there, but as you can see walking down the passenger side of it, overall paint shows very well. Rear fender skirts, and look at this beautiful interior. Now I mentioned it has the soft top, has the hard top. It will also have the cockpit cover, I guess if you will, that comes out and will snap up underneath the windshield where you see the snaps. Also a zipper in the center of it where you can cover half of it, keep the driver's section open. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Go ahead and take a peek at the rear chrome. Love the small fins on these 57s. Chrome does show nicely also. Yes, you're going to see a little typical wear here and there on it, but overall chrome does show nice too. You can see the reflection coming off that rear trunk lid, but you will have small spots here or there. That's being pretty fussy too in the black. You can see what kind of luster and look that paint has. Once again, still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And again, hard top, and you can see the headliner on the hard top, also in nice shape. Correct top for a 57 with the portholes. Go ahead and take a peek down the driver's side. Also see the nice shine the paint has up and down this side. Appears to be a straight car also. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this interior. I'll probably reach in it and start it up. It's going to be the easiest to kind of give you a good look at how it looks. Of course, there's your power window switches. Driver and passenger. Have had the wipers working. Horn works. Radio work. The blower fan for the AC and blower fan for the heat both work. Power seat control right down here in the center. Got that working. And we are in neutral right now. Let's go ahead and start this up. Don't need to give it any gas. Just turn the key and she fires right up. Again, that's that 312 underneath the hood. Tachometer down here working. Fuel gauge going up to about 3/4. Notice the clock did not though down here. And I'm assuming the temp gauge is going to come up with temperature of the engine. I did have the radio working, FYI, also. So feel free to consult with your sales associate on any of those items when you call in to check this out. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open so you can check out the engine bay. Then we'll shut her down, put the top up for you, let you take a look at the soft top too. Hood popped. Check out that 312 Ford V8. Power steering, power brakes, as you can see. Nice tidy engine bay. Don't always see these Thunderbirds this nicely equipped. AC compressor on the other side. Slip over there, take a look. There'll also be a picture of the data tag in with the still pictures. You'll see the codes, all of that on there. Again, pretty much what you'd expect on a 1957 Thunderbird. And one last pause here. I'm going to put the hood down, turn it off, and let's check out that soft top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there's the top to take a look at. Again, black cloth. Looks like it's new, probably done at the time of the restoration on this vehicle. Rear plastic window, completely see-through easily. Nice shape. Yeah, you're gonna have a few of the kinks and little folds and stuff where the top goes up and down at, which is expected. Locks on there nice and tight, fits well, looks good, gonna serve the purpose, needs to keep you out of the rain or keep the sun off your back, so to speak. Nice and tight it is up above the windshield. All good, no surprises there. 1957 Ford Thunderbird, soft top and hard top combo, and an extremely loaded up option wise Thunderbird. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.